Hey, what's up, and welcome to the Nootropics Masterclass. I first want to say it was a super good move for you to get this product, for you to be engaged in this product. I mean, what we're going to do here is we are going to bypass all the frills. There'll be no marketing or ads in this video, and strictly going to teach you how it is that I use nootropics. When I'm sitting down in my lab and I'm making nootropics and I'm thinking about methodology, I'm thinking about what to stack, I'm thinking about what stacks well with what. I've got 12 years of nootropics philosophy and strategy kind of infused into my strategy of capsuling nootropics. I'm going to teach you all that stuff. I'm going to give you some stacks that we've never divulged before on air, some stacks that we largely give to Fortune 500 heavy hitting CEOs that really need a lot of performance. We're talking about 17, 18 hours a day with 35 things, on their to-do list. And I'm going to give you the philosophy and the principles. Take note of the principle part, which is next, that you need to understand and just hammer into your brain so that you can get the best use out of nootropics. Ultimately, what this program is designed to do is to take you from where you are in taking nootropics to the 5 to 6 year level in understanding how to stack, what stacks well with what, synergistic additional compounds, how to use amino acids properly with nootropics, and basically everything else in between. And of course, we will talk about modafinil, we'll talk about general affinils, we'll talk about racetams, we'll break all those down. I will give you some of the most sophisticated nootropics information in this course. So thanks so much for being with me. Quick intro about me and kind of why this matters. A lot of you that have purchased the course, you watch our videos. We have a YouTube channel where we've pumped out probably 680 videos on nootropics content. I've been into nootropics for 12 years. It started after I started meditating, and I only did this for 2 weeks. I meditated for 2 weeks, and I know it sounds a little markety or hypey or something, but it honestly changed my brain. I would wake up in the middle of the night with like ideas bubbling in my head. I was positive and creative again. And at that point, I had just gotten out of the United States Army, did a tour in Iraq, so I wasn't like the happiest guy. I was kind of like resentful, like Scrooge, like screw everybody kind of deal. And meditation changed my life. So really the next step for me was, what else can modify my brain positively that'll allow me to perform better? And nootropics were just the next logical step. Thereafter was a 12-year stint to this day of experimentation with nootropics. And I'm going to synthesize everything that I've learned, the key points that you need to know in this program. Okay, so without further ado, I want to get to maybe the most important part of the program, which is why I decided to have that first, and that is the principles of expert level nootropics usage. Okay, principle number 1. Hey, what's up? It's me, Ryan. Thanks for watching the intro to the Nootropics Masterclass. What I want to do in this quick audio is just explain to you what exactly Nootropics Masterclass is and really the massive, massive brain performance benefit you can get from it. Let me just grab your attention for 1 second. If you could induce mental energy on cue, and by on cue, I mean within 20 minutes, that will get you productive and wanting to accomplish whatever it is in your life that you know you need to do, would you do it? That's question number 1. The second question I have is, if you could induce motivation to tackle some of the things that you've been putting by the wayside and get the right things done to move you forward in your career, in your business, in your relationship, whatever it is that requires brain performance. Because don't forget, the best you is going to show up when your brain is functioning optimally. If you could do that, would you do it? The third question I have for you, if you could induce verbal fluency, the kind of verbal fluency that's nuts, when folks watch our videos and say that I'm excessively verbally fluent, like how the hell do I do it? That kind of verbal fluency. People that get up and don't say and have no pauses, give absolutely smooth speeches to 100,000 people. How the hell do they do it? If you want to induce that kind of verbal fluency, and if you could do it on cue in 20 minutes, would you do it? The last question I have for you. If you could get a nootropics course, a masterclass that could take you from wherever you are in your experience with nootropics and your usage and experimentation with nootropics to the 5 to 6 year mark of having experimented for that long and tried hundreds of stacks and tried hundreds of things and failed on things and figured things out and succeeded on things and learned to induce all kinds of basically every different brain state that facilitates productivity on cue. If you had the opportunity to learn how to do that, would you do it? If the answer is yes to any of these questions, the Nootropics Masterclass is for you. This will synthesize 12 years of nootropics experimentation and usage. It'll give you philosophy, it'll give you stack breakdowns, it'll give you strategies, it'll give you cycling. It'll give you everything you need to know to take your nootropics usage to the expert level. Okay, so here's what I want you to do. Go to livecortex.com. There will be a pop-up that comes up where you can put your email address in to be notified of the launch of the Nootropics Masterclass. And when it launches next Thursday, which is January 16th, it's going to be launched somewhere around 6 p.m. Eastern Time. You will get a notification, an email saying, here's the product, here's the class. If you want it, go get it. If not, have a great day. And do that at livecortex.com on the welcome mat. If you want to get a discount on the course, meaning you want to buy it substantially cheaper than it's going to be at retail when we launch it on the 16th, you can go to the homepage at livecortex.com right now and you can pre-order the course. And you'll get it cheaper if you buy it right now. And either way, if you do that, on January 16th, you'll get an email with the course and you're done. Either way, this course encompasses the deep level, hardcore surgical nootropics usage that we infuse and bring in to consulting clients that pay us $5,000 over the course of 6 months to consult them. We have never spent as much time on one single product. I've never put as much information out on one single product. I've never put as much strategy on using nootropics to supercharge brain performance on one single product ever until the Nootropics Masterclass. I think I've sold you enough. Go to livecortex.com, get it done. It is launching next Thursday. We hope to see you then.